What if you started eating just 2 dates every single day for an entire month? Have you ever thought about why dates have been a dietary staple across ancient civilizations for centuries? Modern science is now confirming what these cultures have long believed. These soft, chewy fruits are packed with incredible health benefits. But what kind of impact would a month-long date eating habit have on your body? Would the effects be as remarkable as many claim? And since dates are naturally rich in sugar and carbohydrates, are they truly a safe option for those managing diabetes? We'll break it all down in this video. You may have also come across claims that dates can support natural labor. Could that be true? Are there any scientific studies backing this idea? We'll explore that later on. But first, let's dive into the 7 key health benefits you may experience by making dates a part of your daily routine. 1. Your heart and cardiovascular health will improve. Your heart and entire cardiovascular system could see a noticeable boost in health when you make dates a regular part of your diet. While they may not be the first food that comes to mind for heart support, these small yet powerful fruits are loaded with beneficial compounds that help keep your heart strong and resilient. Dates are rich in flavonoids, a type of antioxidant that plays a key role in protecting your arteries from inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major contributors to heart disease. By promoting better blood circulation and reducing arterial swelling, flavonoids help lower the risk of conditions like atherosclerosis, where plaque builds up and narrows the arteries, increasing the chances of heart attacks and strokes. Another heart-friendly component found in dates is polyphenols, which not only enhance blood vessel function but also help regulate cholesterol levels. These natural plant compounds work to raise HDL, the good cholesterol, while simultaneously reducing LDL, the bad cholesterol, which is particularly beneficial for individuals at risk of metabolic disorders, such as prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Since people with diabetes often have a higher likelihood of developing cardiovascular disease, incorporating foods that naturally support cholesterol balance is crucial. Beyond antioxidants, dates are a fantastic source of potassium, a mineral essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Potassium counteracts the harmful effects of excess sodium in the body, preventing water retention and lowering the strain on blood vessels. The problem is that most people, especially in Western countries, don't consume nearly enough potassium in their daily diet. Surprisingly, gram for gram, dates contain nearly twice as much potassium as bananas, making them an excellent way to fill this nutritional gap. But that's not all. Dates also provide magnesium, another critical mineral for heart function. Magnesium helps relax and widen blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing overall cardiovascular strain. Studies have shown that higher magnesium intake is linked to a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, magnesium supports a stable heart rhythm, preventing irregular heartbeats, arrhythmias, that can lead to serious cardiac complications. So while dates may be small, their heart protective effects are significant. Just 2 a day can go a long way in nourishing your cardiovascular system, helping you maintain healthy blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and overall heart function. 2. Your skin will look more radiant and youthful. If you're looking for a natural way to achieve glowing, youthful skin, adding dates to your daily diet might be the secret you've been searching for. These small, chewy fruits are packed with skin-loving nutrients that work from within to enhance your complexion, keeping it vibrant and healthy. One of the biggest contributors to skin aging is oxidative stress, which occurs when harmful free radicals damage skin cells, leading to wrinkles, dullness, and sagging. Dates are naturally rich in powerful antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help neutralize these free radicals before they can cause lasting damage. By reducing oxidative stress, these compounds help preserve skin elasticity, giving your face a smoother and more youthful appearance. Inflammation is another major enemy of healthy skin, often leading to redness, puffiness, and even acne flare-ups. Luckily, dates contain vitamin B6, a crucial nutrient that helps regulate inflammatory responses in the body. When inflammation is controlled, issues like breakouts and skin irritation become less frequent, allowing for a clearer complexion. But beautiful skin isn't just about what's happening on the surface. It starts from within, particularly in your gut. The digestive system and skin are closely connected through what researchers call the gut-skin axis. Poor gut health, imbalanced gut bacteria, and sluggish digestion can contribute to skin conditions like acne, eczema, and premature aging. Dates are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which helps support a thriving gut microbiome by promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. A well-balanced gut translates to better digestion, reduced bloating, and ultimately clearer, healthier-looking skin. Additionally, dates provide natural hydration and nourishment. Their high water content, combined with essential vitamins and minerals, helps keep your skin well hydrated, preventing dryness and flakiness. Since dehydration can make fine lines and wrinkles more pronounced, regularly consuming foods with hydrating properties like dates can contribute to a plumper, more radiant complexion. By making dates a part of your daily routine, you're feeding your skin from the inside out with antioxidants, vitamins, and gut-supporting fiber. The result? A natural, healthy glow that reflects the benefits of proper nourishment and internal balance. 3. Your digestion will become smoother and more efficient. If you struggle with bloating, constipation, or sluggish digestion, adding dates to your diet could make a world of difference. These naturally sweet fruits are packed with gut-friendly fiber that helps regulate your digestive system, ensuring things move along smoothly and efficiently. One of the key benefits of dates is their rich fiber content, which includes both soluble and insoluble fiber, each playing a unique role in digestive health. Soluble fiber dissolves in water, forming a gel-like consistency that softens stool and makes it easier to pass, helping to relieve constipation and prevent straining. On the other hand, insoluble fiber does not dissolve in water but instead adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing waste from lingering too long in the intestines. But the digestive benefits of dates go beyond just fiber. These fruits contain pectin, a natural prebiotic fiber that serves as fuel for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Your digestive system is home to trillions of microbes, and maintaining a healthy balance of good bacteria is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By feeding these beneficial microbes, pectin helps to crowd out harmful bacteria, reducing the risk of digestive discomfort, bloating, and infections. Research has highlighted the powerful impact of dates on gut health. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that people who consumed dates regularly experienced significantly improved bowel movement frequency and consistency, suggesting that dates can naturally support digestive regularity. Unlike some fiber supplements which may cause cramping or gas, dates offer a gentle and natural way to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Additionally, dates contain natural enzymes that assist in breaking down food, making digestion more efficient. If you often experience post-meal bloating or sluggishness, these enzymes may help ease the digestive process, reducing discomfort after eating. By incorporating just 2 dates a day into your routine, you're giving your digestive system the nourishment it needs to function optimally. Whether you're looking to improve regularity, reduce bloating, or enhance overall gut health, these small but mighty fruits offer a simple and effective solution. 4. Your brain power will get a natural boost. Dates do more than just satisfy your sweet tooth, they can actually help keep your mind sharp and focused. These chewy little fruits are packed with nutrients that support cognitive function, memory, and mental clarity, making them a brain-boosting addition to your daily routine. One of the key nutrients in dates is vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This essential vitamin plays a crucial role in producing neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which influence everything from mood and motivation to concentration and mental sharpness. Just 2 dates a day can provide about 15% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin B6, helping to keep your brain chemistry balanced and your thoughts clear. But that's not all. Dates are also a great source of choline, a nutrient that has been linked to improved memory retention and learning ability. Choline is essential for the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that supports cognitive function, helping your brain process and store information more efficiently. Studies suggest that getting enough choline in your diet may even help protect against age-related memory decline and neurodegenerative conditions. Another way dates benefit brain health is through their high levels of antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols. These compounds help shield brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which have been closely linked to cognitive decline, mental fog, and even neurological disorders such as Alzheimer's disease. By reducing inflammation in the brain, dates can help maintain sharper thinking and protect long-term brain function. Incorporating just 2 dates a day into your diet is an easy and delicious way to nourish your brain, improve focus, and support memory over time. Whether you're looking to enhance learning, boost mental clarity, or simply keep your brain healthy as you age, this small habit could have lasting benefits for your cognitive well-being. 5. You'll experience a natural and lasting energy boost. Picture this. It's mid-afternoon and your energy levels are dragging. Your eyelids feel heavy, your focus is slipping, and the temptation to reach for a sugary snack or another cup of coffee is hard to resist. Sound familiar? Instead of relying on caffeine or processed sugar for a quick fix, incorporating just 2 dates a day into your diet can provide a steady, natural source of energy, without the dreaded crash. Dates are packed with natural sugars, primarily glucose and fructose, which your body quickly converts into fuel. Unlike refined sugars that cause rapid blood sugar spikes followed by an energy slump, the fiber in dates helps regulate the release of these sugars into your bloodstream. This means you get a more sustained energy boost instead of the roller coaster highs and lows that come with processed snacks. But dates don't just stop at delivering quick energy. They also support long-term vitality at a cellular level. These fruits are rich in potassium, which plays a key role in muscle function and electrolyte balance, preventing fatigue and weakness. Additionally, their B vitamin content aids in the breakdown of food into usable energy, ensuring that your body efficiently converts nutrients into fuel. Another hidden factor in energy levels is digestion. If your gut isn't working efficiently, you're likely to feel sluggish and drained. The fiber in dates keeps digestion running smoothly, preventing bloating and discomfort that can sap your energy. And the best part? Dates are incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them straight out of the bag, slice them into your oatmeal for a natural sweetness, blend them into a smoothie, or even pair them with nuts for a protein-packed energy boost. No matter how you choose to eat them, 2 dates a day can help you power through your day with steady, lasting energy. 6. Your bones will become stronger and more resilient. When it comes to bone health, calcium is often the star of the show, but did you know that magnesium and phosphorus are just as important? While dates might not be the richest source of calcium, they provide key minerals that support bone strength and density, making them a valuable addition to your diet. Magnesium plays a crucial role in bone development and mineralization. Without enough magnesium, calcium can't be properly absorbed and utilized by your bones. A deficiency in this essential mineral has even been linked to an increased risk of osteoporosis and brittle bones. Just 2 dates a day can contribute to your daily magnesium intake, helping to ensure your skeletal system remains strong and resilient. Phosphorus, another important mineral found in dates, works alongside calcium to form the structural foundation of bones and teeth. It also helps repair and regenerate bone tissue, keeping your skeletal system in top shape. If your diet lacks sufficient phosphorus, your bones may become weaker over time. Another hidden factor in bone health is inflammation. Chronic inflammation can speed up bone loss and weaken the structure of your skeleton. The antioxidants and polyphenols in dates help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, indirectly protecting your bones from damage. While dates alone won't prevent osteoporosis or fractures, they can certainly complement a bone-friendly diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein. Adding 2 dates a day to your meals, whether blended into smoothies, tossed into salads, or eaten as a quick snack, can be a delicious and nutritious way to support long-term bone health and strength. 7. Your blood sugar levels may become more stable. Even though dates are naturally sweet, they have a low glycemic index, meaning they don't cause a sudden rise in blood sugar levels like processed sugars do. This makes them a better option for those trying to manage blood sugar levels, including people with diabetes. One of the reasons dates are blood sugar friendly is their fiber content. Fiber slows down how quickly sugar enters your bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes and crashes. This can help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day and may reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Beyond fiber, dates are also packed with powerful antioxidants, such as flavonoids and carotenoids, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation. These 2 factors play a major role in the development of insulin resistance, which makes it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar. By reducing inflammation, dates can support better metabolic health, and may even help improve insulin sensitivity over time. However, while dates are a natural and nutritious source of sweetness, moderation is key. Eating 2 dates a day as part of a balanced diet can be a smart way to satisfy your sweet tooth without harming blood sugar control. Can dates make labor easier? You may have heard stories about pregnant women eating dates to help with labor, but is there any truth to this? Surprisingly, scientific studies suggest there might be. One study observed 69 women who ate 6 dates per day for 4 weeks leading up to their due date, while another group of 45 women avoided dates altogether. The results were striking. Those who consumed dates experienced shorter first-stage labor, more advanced cervical dilation, less need for medical induction. Another study of 154 pregnant women came to a similar conclusion. Women who ate dates late in their pregnancy were less likely to require medical interventions to start or speed up labor. Researchers believe that dates may help by promoting natural oxytocin release, a hormone that stimulates contractions. They also contain important minerals like magnesium, iron, and calcium, which support muscle function and overall pregnancy health. Of course, if you have a specific medical condition or dietary restriction, it's always best to consult your doctor before adding dates to your routine during pregnancy. Now, what about you? Do you regularly include dates in your diet? Have you noticed any benefits, whether it's better digestion, improved energy, or even smoother skin? Share your thoughts in the comments section. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you haven't tried adding dates to your daily routine, now might be the perfect time to start. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on future content. Your support allows me to keep bringing you more valuable insights into health and wellness. Wishing you the best on your journey to better health.